Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, did it contest the elections as an enlisted political party?
Yes.
And if it did, then kya it was entitled as of right to get the proportional representation, because the bar set under Article 17 as a fundamental right is very, very high, and it has to be interpreted dynamically and progressively.
Yes. My Lord, although I agree with your Lordship's Justice Munib that it is to be looked at in the context of Article 51.
You don't have to agree with me.
No.
Give us your reasoning.
Yes, but I think the questions by Justice Mandukh Khail and Justice Minullah.
Mr. Faizan Siddiqui, I tried to come to your rescue, but it seems you don't want rescuing. Why don't you argue the matter in your own way? Then we'll ask the questions, because I don't know what you're going to say.
It's a bit impolite not to at least reply in a thing.
I want to hear what you're going to say.
Sir, ये भी part है.
फिर हम आपसे सवाल बेशक पूछेंगे. आप अभी सवालों में
अभी तो आपने रहम किया है, आपने सवाल नहीं पूछे.
मैं सुनना चाहता हूँ आपको. आप फिर हम सवाल पूछेंगे. आप फिक्र ना करें, आ जाएंगे.
That's the pleasure and pain of sitting in full court.
Just a single sentence. The reason why both your Lordship's questions are relevant is because this is precisely the point raised in the Peshawar High Court judgment, where they say that PTI should have filed their lists later on also. But I'll come to that point later. Let me complete the fact.
लेकिन इसमें एक चीज, I mean, that's an added question जो बाद में answer कर दीजिएगा. And it's also for Election Commission to explain it. What is the role of Election Commission? Can it assume the role as an adversarial to a political party, or it has to ensure that each political party gets its right so that no one is disfranchised, or whether it is necessary for someone to apply it, or as a duty, constitutional duty, the Election Commission is bound to fulfill its obligations?
So the answer of the Election Commission would be that it is constitutionally, there is a constitutional.
How can you answer for them?
Because you
answer for yourself.
Because that is what they've done they've allocated seats to people who've not applied. They've allocated seats to people.
वो आगे बहस करने के उनके वकील हैं. आप अपना बता
Sir, मैं timeline.
The Election Commission is very fond of quoting, because I have sat on benches for some time now. And they're very fond of quoting Article 2183 at the court, and that fee, fair, whatever the thing is. But if the mandate of this particular clause that we are focused on is both negative and positive, prima facie, it seems to me, with all due respect, how can you fulfill that duty by violating both the negative and the positive? Yeah. That seems to me to be seriously at odds. And I'm just using mild words here, with their own self-professed duty, their power, their obligation under Article 2183 of the Constitution, which, as I say, they love to quote at the drop of a hat. But anyway, let's see.
I would go further and say that no provision dealing with election or
Mr.
democracy.
Faizan, I don't understand what you're saying. If you're going to respond to everything and not argue your case, please argue your case so I can understand your propositions.
मैं जरा timeline खत्म कर लूं. मैं पहले timeline.
First, let me hear. I mean, that's the way a council argues.
मैं timeline खत्म कर लूं.
How long will it take? I mean, otherwise we'll start putting you on timelines.
Sir, मैं आज जरा सिर्फ facts complete कर लूं.
करें तो
जी. Page 2 of the paper book. Sir, basically सारे election results जो हैं, जो notifications मैंने इलेक्शन कमीशन की वेबसाइट से निकाले हैं, वो या तो 17 फरवरी या 18 फरवरी को नोटिफाई हो गए, बोथ नेशनल असेंबली एंड प्रोविंशियल असेंबली. नाउ समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग हैपेंस, व्हिच इज दैट दे स्टार्ट नोटिफाइंग द रिजर्व सीट्स. एंड इफ योर लॉर्डशिप में काइंडली सी पेज 4.
पहले अब टू की बात तो करें कि ये
सर, ये 2 मैंने सिर्फ दिखाया है
कि इंडिपेंडेंट डिक्लेयर किया गया.
ये 2 मैंने सिर्फ दिखाया है ये दिखाने के लिए कि 17 फरवरी को इन्होंने रिटर्न कैंडिडेट्स नोटिफाई करने शुरू कर दिए,
जिसमें पीटीआई सपोर्टेड कैंडिडेट को
इंडिपेंडेंट दिखाया.
तो क्या ये पीटीआई को कोई रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? क्या पीटीआई ने इस नोटिफिकेशन को चैलेंज किया कि सॉरी दीज वर आवर कैंडिडेट और उनको हमने एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट एज पर सेक्शन 66 प्रोवाइड किया था? हाउ यू आर डिक्लेयरिंग वेदर द इलेक्शन? पहला सवाल मैंने किया था कि क्या उनको इख्तियार है डिक्लेयर करने का?
फिर ये लिटिगेशन इस पे हुई थी, दैट इज व्हाई आई होप यू अलाउ मिस्टर सलमान राजा टू एंड दे चैलेंज, ही इज अ पर्सनल विक्टिम टू इट, सो सर
बेसिकली दे वर नॉट इंडिपेंडेंट.
ये आप दिखा रहे नोटिफिकेशन डेटेड 17 February. Just tell us what you want to show.
सर ऑल आई वांट टू शो कि ये जो रिटर्न कैंडिडेट्स के नोटिफिकेशन शुरू हुई थी वो 17 फरवरी से शुरू.
Okay, चलें आगे बढ़ें.
ठीक है.
Note करिए.
पेज 4. नाउ दिस इज वेयर द कंट्रोवर्सी स्टार्ट्स. पेज 4 अगर मैं पढ़ दूं, in pursuance of Article 51 of the Constitution of Pakistan, read with Section 104 of the Elections Act 2017, the Election Commission of Pakistan hereby publishes the names of returned candidates for the seats reserved for women in the National Assembly of Pakistan from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province as per detail given below. Your Lordship may see that there are only two. अगर आप नेक्स्ट पेज देखिए,
Just 1 minute. On this date, had the entire results for the National Assembly been notified? Had the entire results for the general seats for the National Assembly been notified?
as far as I am aware, they were, but there were a number of seats left.
The entire results were notified.
The entire results were notified. मेरे ख्याल में कुछ जो इन्होंने फाइनल टैली भी दी है जनरल सीट्स की, उसमें भी कुछ मिसिंग सीट्स हैं. अब द इलेक्शन कमीशन कैन एक्सप्लेन व्हाई आर दे मिसिंग. उनके इलेक्शंस शायद पोस्टपोन हो गए थे या नहीं.
आप लोगों ने एप्लीकेशन कब दी अपने रिजर्व सीट्स की?
जी, हमने एप्लीकेशन दी है.
वो जो विद इन 3 days करनी होती है.
नहीं, वो तो ज्वाइनिंग का करना होता है ना सर.
वो आपने कब दी
सर विद इन 3 days.
तारीख?
और रिजर्व सीट्स की एप्लीकेशन हमने 21 फरवरी को दी.
विदिन 3 days तो इंडिपेंडेंट कैंडिडेट्स ने शो करना होता कि आई कैन ज्वाइन
यस
पार्टी.
यस.
तो जिन लोगों ने पार्टी ज्वाइन की, दूसरी पार्टी, क्या वो एक पार्टी से एफिलिएटेड नहीं थे?
जी, मैं उसी पे आ रहा हूं. अगर आप पेज 4 देख लें, अब होता क्या है, 17 और 18 फरवरी को नोटिफाई हो जाते हैं रिजल्ट्स. 4th को रिजर्व सीट्स एलोकेट होना शुरू होती हैं. खैबर पख्तूनख्वा में नेशनल असेंबली की वुमेन सीट एलोकेट होती हैं 2. इसका नेक्स्ट पेज देखिएगा, बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है. पेज 5. अगर आप देखेंगे तो 22 फरवरी को ही हमें रिकॉग्नाइज कर लिया था एज ए पॉलिटिकल पार्टी / पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी.
अभी तक तो आप पिक्चर में नहीं आया. अभी तो 3 दिन बाकी है जिसमें कैंडिडेट्स ने वहां जाना है.
नहीं हो गया था.
ये तो जो पार्टी मुतासर हुई है, जिनके कैंडिडेट बकौल आप उनके चुराए गए, उन्होंने क्या किया?
इस पर से आप 22 की डेट कहाँ से ला रहे हैं?
जी,
इस पर डेट तो कोई नहीं.
डेट नहीं है
सर पेज 4.
नहीं 5 आप
5 is a part of that, sir.
अच्छा, 5 is a part.
Part of the notification.
may I request through you my colleagues that आप जरा argue करें, because I am not following the point you want to make. Undoubtedly there will be a lot of questions, but we'll wait for you to make the point.
Yes.
जी. So we are now seeing at page 5. What do you
Page 5. What I want to show कि election commission had on as early as 22nd February 2024 had recognized the petitioner, which is Sunni Ittihad Council,
it?
as a parliamentary party.
Okay.
Now, if I may move forward and come to page 8. This is again 22nd February 2024. And इसके साथ भी ये रिजर्व सीट्स हैं फॉर नेशनल असेंबली प्रोविंस ऑफ पंजाब पेज 10 देख लीजिए, इसके साथ इलेक्शन कमीशन ने चार्ट लगाया हुआ है एंड देयर at serial number 2 Sunni Ittihad Council is recognized as a parliamentary/political party.
Now, it says, and both here and on the previous page that you showed us, page 5, it says general seats 1-0. Now,
कौन सा पेज देख रहे हैं सर?
आपने दिखाया था ना पेज 5
5 और 10 दोनों
पे
में।
था ना,
जी जी
सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल वो था जनरल सीट्स 1-0, और जो इधर पेज 10 पे आप हमें दिखा रहे हैं उसपे भी लिखा हुआ है सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल जनरल सीट्स 1-0.
जी जी
Now you have just told us that Sunni Ittihad Council in fact never contested the election. So on that basis, it should not be there at all.
yes
So, but it is there.
yes
So the election commission is not just accepting apparently that this is a political party, whatever, but that it did contest the general election. Seems to me that logically, so an apparent illogicality here. Election Commission data shows here is Sunni Ittihad Council never put up any candidates. Or never put up any candidates is out of the picture for the reserved seats. Fine, so finish. But it says no. When it's allocating the reserved seats, it is putting down their name and as in the race for the reserved seats. But it says, sorry, you didn't win any general seats. Well, obviously they didn't win any general seats. The illogicality that seems to me, prima facie, is that the only way that the election commission could have put their name at all is if it had implicitly recognized that behind them stood the PTI people. The PTI, and if it recognizes that, then it should have put in the number of seats won by them.
Yes.
I mean, election commission can't have it both ways. It can't say you didn't contest the general election. Well, there are dozens probably of registered political parties that never contest the general election. So they never are in the running ipso facto for the reserved seats. Here, they show them in the running, but general seats 1-0 on what basis? If the basis is that there is someone behind them, that someone can only be the PTI, and they did win the seats.
yes
इसमें
We'll have to ask them
just
about
add,
this illogicality that seems to lie at the heart of their table.
इसमें फैसल साहब गालिबन सिंस SIC ने अप्लाई किया अपने नाम से, अगर उनसे गलती भी हुई थी, वो गलती जो है जिस तरह माय लॉर्ड कह रहे हैं, इलेक्शन कमीशन की ड्यूटी थी कि उसको दुरुस्त कर लेते और उसको जो है वो एज एन इनलिस्टेड पार्टी पाकिस्तान तहरीक इंसाफ की सीट शो करती. इफ दे कैन रिकग्नाइज SIC एज अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, ये दैट इज अ कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन, बट हेयर Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf had contested as a political party and it was entitled to its seats.
अगर ये बात हो जाए फिर तो आपका तो केस ही खत्म. You are nobody. These seats belongs to PTI, not to you.
No,
और उन्होंने खुद आपको ज्वाइन करके जीरो कर
I think
दिया.
the illogicality goes the other way.
नहीं, ये-
Speaking for myself, that the mere fact that as a matter of form, they may have joined them, the substantive reality cannot be denied. This is what the.
may I
this is
just
what the
note
election
and complete the facts?
5 और 10 में भी इसलिए वो आपका शायद
Faisal Siddiqui,
on your request
I want to
matter
hear
is
you.
pending before the commission.
इसमें फैसल साहब, ये सारा मामला जो है ये अवाम का है. अवाम को किसी तौर पे डिसफ्रेंचाइज नहीं किया जा सकता और यही ड्यूटी थी इलेक्शन कमीशन की. ये टेक्निकलिटीज और इनके जरिए उस अवाम को नहीं, उनके हक नहीं लिए जा सकते थे. दैट इज द स्पिरिट ऑफ आर्टिकल 17.
Yes.
और इसी गलती को खुद दुरुस्त करना चाहिए था इलेक्शन कमीशन को.
the people should not have suffered. They should not
you
have
don't
been
want to argue further?
disenfranchised.
I
You don't want to argue further, please take your seat.
I'll,
Sorry, I will now insist that you argue the case.
sir, I will
I'm not
just,
hearing what, I don't know what to write. on that book.
I've noted, let me just complete the
मैं
facts.
सिर्फ दो बातें ऐड करना चाहता हूँ अथर साहब के बयान में। बिल्कुल अवाम का विल था, अवाम ने किसी इंडिपेंडेंट को वोट नहीं दिया था, अवाम ने उस कैंडिडेट को वोट दिया था जिसको एक पार्टी सपोर्ट कर रही थी। तो ये पार्टी को अगर सपोर्ट करी थी, ये कैंडिडेट उस पार्टी के थे, आपके नहीं थे, सिख के नहीं थे।
I've noted down all 10 of your lordship's question, all 10, sir.
Can you
Yeah,
come
आप आगे
back to
बढ़ते-
the
आगे
significance
बढ़ते
of this date, 22 February 2024? What is the significance that you want to point out? on
The
this?
significance is that when I take your lordships through Article 51, I would argue that the basis of the allocation of reserve seats is not your percentage of vote in the election or whether you contested the election or not. It is how many seats you hold in parliament. That's the foundational
So
basis
you have
of your
shown this
allocation.
on page 10,
Ji.
that this is attached with the notification
Yes.
on page 8.
Yes.
The figures that are given here, it shows the Sunni Ittihad Council to have